Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on BBAI, Big Bear AI, trading here on the New York Stock Exchange. We had here some upwards momentum on Friday, plus almost 8%, closed at $3.53. We want to check if this is here now the bottom from this massive sell-off here. We lost here almost 70% from the peak, and this is quite normal, guys, when you have short squeezes or squeezes like that. Don't forget, BBAI squeezed here in total almost 800%. So that we retrace here 70% is nothing unusual, but we have here some information in the chart, guys, which are not bullish, but I have to explain everything here. So you will get all the price levels here to the up and the downside. Everything what I say here is, of course, not financial advice. Sorry for my weak voice, guys. I'm still struggling here with my cold, and I try to make this video here as comfortable as possible. So first of all, we need to understand that the short sellers are not happy with the actual price. Even we're trading here at $3.53 right now. The short interest is 18%, which means in shares we have 38 million shares short for BBAI. So the short sellers don't like the actual price, and the problem is, guys, I already mentioned that here in the volume profile of TradingView, you can see that this volume is increasing. First, yes, because we squeezed, but secondly, also because the company is diluting the stock, and this is not good, guys. Dilution is never in favor for a squeeze. We have now here a float of 207 million shares compared to 180 million shares, which we had here by the beginning of March, and they might dilute the stock even more. Keep that in mind, guys. The more they dilute the stock, the more likely the price will come down, because the market makers which create these kind of short squeezes here, they have more shares available to settle those failed to delivers, naked shares, naked shorts, call it whatever you want. And that can be, guys, that the price is coming down really quick. So here on the indicator chart, we can see that we have a little bit of a support here at the EMA 200 day line, guys, but I usually don't use these EMA lines for my trading strategies. They can act as a support, but usually you can measure all price levels here based on other trading tools, which is also part here of my mission to explain to explain how trading works, and that you get some skills here in trading. My second mission is, guys, to predict short squeezes. That's why we will check now all the price levels here for BBAI. But I also have my finest selection of short squeeze stocks available here, guys. I call them the hot stocks. I release those videos every Sunday, and when I release a hot stock video, this video contains tickers with high squeeze potential, where I personally expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. So this week we had here one bigger squeeze. That was this one here. This ticker squeezed 170% after my video release, guys. Just one day after I released the video, this ticker squeezed. I also said we have here an algo demand zone of 25 cents to 18 cents. You can see that this ticker immediately or exactly came down to 25 cents before we had the squeeze. While I made this screenshot here, we had a 120% squeeze, but in total this ticker squeezed 170%, and that was, of course, one of my hot stocks here 1 week before. We had this squeeze here, 136%. Also, I posted this on Patreon for my members here, and you can see the green level was the price line where I expected the technical reaction, and then we had a 136% squeeze. If you want to see this hidden content, guys, or hidden content, secret short squeeze stocks, my personal finest selection, then you can join us here on Patreon. Patreon.com /BlackBeltTrader is the link, guys. Also, you will find the link here in the video description. And you not only get access to my hot stocks, you also get access to my trading tutorials, member FAQ section, and stuff like that. So there is a lot of benefits waiting for you. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, guys. Everybody is welcome to join in. So blah blah blah. Let's now switch here to the drawings, guys. This is what you want to see, and here we go. I make it quick and simple here. This is what we have. I personally, guys, this is not financial advice. This is my personal trading strategy. No drama, no squeeze. I want to see BBAI coming down a little bit more. I want to see the price coming here in this yellow box, guys, between $2.90 and $1.90. This is the zone where I personally would buy in to trade the next swing. We know that we have here something like a very responsive uptrend pattern. It's very comparable with XRP. It is the same pattern for XRP. You can also check that out if you want to see crypto stuff, guys. Also here available on my channel. And this is what we have. And the bottom of this trend channel here acts usually like a support, as a support for some squeeze momentum. That's why I don't want to focus too much here on the EMA lines, guys. This is, of course, can help you with trades, but it's not necessary in my opinion. This is what I want to see. I want to see a retest here of this trend line, and depending here on the day, we talk here about a price range of $2.11 to $2.30, 40. Here you can see it is, of course, an ascending line. This is what I want to see, guys. We also have here one open gap at $4.10. So sooner or later, I think here in the very few next trading days, BBAI might come back here to $4.10 to close this open gap. This is one of the open business we have here in the chart and what the algos usually do. So we can see that we had now here a small technical rebound in total of 22%. So if we close this gap, that would mean we have a price action here of 40%, which is, as I said, good. But I want to trade the bigger swings here, and I want to get the big thing here, not the small rebound squeezes here. So that's why I want to see to come the price a little bit more down. We can make here, of course, also a quick Fibonacci retracement if we can see here something which is not visible in the chart. Yes. So guys, as I said, when we come back here, we have one support zone here. This is very important to know. This is the short squeeze support zone for BBAI. Everything here between $5.16 and $4, or let's say $4 and $5.16, is a short squeeze support zone. But the problem is, guys, the big problem here, if the market turns bearish, we have now here a bearish month, not a bearish market. That could mean we could come back here in this zone. Everybody gets excited. Yes, we start to squeeze and we get rejected here at the bottom line, top line of this support zone, guys. That's why I would say $5.16 is good, but everything over $5.16 could be a short squeeze trigger here for BBAI. Then we have here price goals of $8.40 and higher. This is here very simple based on the chart and not financial advice. Guys, if you want to copy here the price levels, you can see here all price goals. This program here, what you see, is called TradingView. This is what I use for all my videos and all my personal trades. If you want to learn trading, you can of course watch here all my content, join our Patreon, become a member and get yourself some knowledge. This is very important to understand the market, but you also need a good chart tool, and that's why I recommend TradingView here in all my videos. I can offer you a $15 discount link if you want to get TradingView today. The premium tier is what I recommend, and also this special TradingView discount link is available in the video description. Guys, so this is my game plan here for BBAI. We can of course check quick the RSI as well. So this is very interesting because, and that's why I'm not bullish yet on BBAI, because the RSI is start to build here some momentum, but we start to cross here the moving average, and it is very possible that we get rejected here at the moving average, start to build here a bullish divergence, which means the price comes down, but the RSI is not coming lower like, in that case it was here in the 13 range. That would be perfect, guys, to build here a bullish divergence here. This is, of course, always a sign that you could see here some short squeezes in the market. And as I said, the potential that BBAI is squeezing is there, but also keep in mind when they continue to dilute the stock, we can see here more gap downs to the downside. And then, as I said, I expect the price to come down here in this algo demand zone. Guys, that was my update for you. Sorry for my voice. I hope that was still comfortable for you here to watch this content. I wish you nothing but the best. Stay healthy. Thank you for your loyal support and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.